Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Who's going to be in the class?
Here's Andrew. What?
Who's going to be in the class today in the mystery?
No, it's not. It's not a mystery. It's you and Andrea.
You want me and Andrea?
Yeah, you and Andrea.
Then and Elise going to come in and
No, I'm sorry. Annalise is off for the summer. Annalise did not sign back up. Annalise. What?
Well, there. Why is Elise not coming? It's not our school time. She didn't went to school.
I know her mom took off the summer for June because her sister's done with school now. The big kids have off school. My kids are all done with school, and her sister's done with her first grade. So she's done with school. Hello. Good morning.
It's string.
Yep, we have string. What color do you have? Orangish? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I have yellow today though. Okay, so today it's Friday. Yay, it's Friday.
String is too twisty.
The string is too twisty. Okay. Well, I'm gonna cut my piece of string because I don't have the same color as you. So today we're doing a tool, like a tool belt thing. Do you guys have? We're gonna play bingo. Do you have the paper I sent the email? The bingo paper? This one. Did you have this one?
Yes.
Okay, because we're gonna play bingo. Okay.
What are we going to do in class today?
And the craft today, show me your tools paper.
Okay.
Oh, I got one. Your tools, yeah.
How's going to look our project? Can you show me?
Like this. Here, yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah, good job. Yeah, you're gonna cut those out. So here, I'll hold it up and show you.
I don't see it.
Hold on, I'm going closer. It's a little tool pouch belt. So we're gonna put the string through, and
Blue and yellow.
they color. You can color yours any color you want. Yours can be pink, rainbow, purple.
Yes.
So you might need, I didn't think of this earlier, you might need tape. Tape or glue stick, because the sides of your...
I don't have one.
Do you have tape? Oh, you have one out. Good.
I don't have tape.
So your little napkin thing, you're going to probably glue
Yeah,
it.
I have a napkin.
We're going to maybe like glue it on the sides to make a pouch. Or tape it.
Yeah, napkin.
Oh, what are you doing with the flower?
It's just a little flower that I got for stuff for playing.
Pretty. All right. Do you guys know what number today is on the calendar?
Yes, I know.
Okay. What number?
3.
3. Good guess.
3.
No, yesterday we were on number 3. So today would
be 4.
Today would be 4. Today is Friday, June 4th. June 4th, and what is that?
4.
Yeah. And what is the picture on there? Do you know what that is?
Oh, not cold.
Yeah, those are the construction cones.
Code.
Yes, very good. So those are what they put on the road when they show they're doing construction, so you can see it when you're driving or walking. So those are construction cones. Yeah, you got it right. Good job. Today is also National Donut Day. So it's up to your moms if you want to go get a donut, but it's National Donut Day. Places are giving away donuts. I know. And my kids got mad because I didn't get donuts this morning yet, so we'll go get one later. All right.
I want to. Can I ask my mommy something? Can I go with me?
You want to go ask for a donut and come back?
No.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Go ask. We're gonna play bingo.
Some water.
Oh, hey, get some water. Here, go. Yeah, get some water. I got my water. I got my water right here by me too.
Do this.
All right, Andrea, you need a crayon or a marker.
I want everything.
We're gonna play bingo. I have mine.
I'm gonna do your favorite color.
That's so nice. Maybe me too. Maybe I'll use purple.
We brought Twitters.
All right. Let's wait for Aya.
But it's kind of blue, but it's purple though.
Cool. So this is the paper we're using for the bingo game. Oh, she got her water.
Purple.
What kind of water bottle is that? What's on the top of that, Aya?
A bow.
Oh, a bow, like a Minnie Mouse.
Remember you had a bow at your bow that had you remember you had a bag?
Okay, I guess.
And then it was, what was its name? What character was it?
Oh, JoJo.
Oh yeah, it's a JoJo.
Oh, JoJo Siwa bowl cup. Oh, my daughter loves that. She has a bunch of shirts and dresses and bows. And I think, oh, in the JoJo bag, yes, I had some stuff in there, right? Yeah, good job. That was the recycling bag. That was the bag you can reuse. We're actually using it as our pool bag now. We put our pool toys in there and our goggles, and we carry it to the pool with us. Okay, so we're gonna play the bingo game first. Yes, Aya?
Bingo.
We're gonna play the bingo game first. Now playing this game, we will learn some words for construction because some of these we haven't gone over.
And there's a hammer.
Yes, there is a hammer. So good thing you know some of them already. All right, I will call out a word and look on your paper to see. So you can circle it or you can put an X and then we'll, and if there's some that you don't know what they're called, we'll review them. You put it down. You can't draw it on your head. All right, so first one, construction cone. Construction cone. Is a construction cone on your paper? Is there a construction cone on your paper? Yeah. Okay. Next one, screwdriver. Is there a screwdriver on your paper? No, there isn't. That was a fooler. I'm gonna trick you. Okay. Next one. Traffic light. Is there a traffic light on your paper? Oh no, I'm trying to trick you guys. Okay, next one. Helmet. Construction helmet. Is there a construction? Yeah, there is. And usually they're orange or yellow. Construction helmets. Good job. All right. Next one. Front end loader. Do you know what a front end loader looks like?
Mama?
Is there a front end loader on your?
There is.
No, there isn't. There is not a front end loader. I know. Okay. Cement mixer. Cement truck. Cement mixer. Do you know which one the cement mixer is? Yeah. It's this one. That one is the cement mixer. Okay, so if you're circling it, circle it, or if you're going to color it in, or whatever you're going to do.
Circle hammer.
Well, hold on. I didn't say hammer yet. Stop sign. Is there a stop sign on the paper? Yes. And you know why they put that on here?
Yes.
Because they probably have stop signs near construction.
Can we circle?
Yeah. Circle the stop sign. They have it on there so you stop and you look around when you're at the construction site. So you be careful. So that's why they have the stop sign. Okay. Next one is.
That's a stop.
Okay. The next one is a new word. It's called barricade. Can everyone say that?
Barricade.
Barricade. And it looks like this. This one is a barricade. They put those up and they would block off the street so you can't drive there. So if they're doing road construction, hold on, what? Say that one more time, Andrea.
Why the code is an X?
What about an X?
The
Okay. Oh, okay. But the barricade is to block off the road. So if they're fixing the road and they don't want you to drive on it while they're working on construction, then they put the barricades up. Okay. Next one, hammer. Who remembers what the hammer looks like?
like this.
I have my hammer right by me. Good job. In the middle, hammer. Anybody have 3 in a row? Look at your paper. Do you have 3 in a row?
I only have 3 in a row. Yeah.
Oh, what do you say when you have 3 in a row? Do you know? Bingo! Bingo! Look, see, 3 in a row. 1, 2, 3. Bingo! All right, well, there's 3 more on here. Let's go over the last 3 pictures. Okay, so the triangle-shaped one is another sign. It could be a yield sign or just construction sign. Do you have one of those? Do you have the triangle-shaped sign on yours? Okay. Triangle. Yeah, yield, or they could just put it up for construction. It could be yellow or orange then, and they could just put them up, and then you'll see it.
I love my flower dress.
Oh, beautiful. Is it new?
It's a pretty old.
Oh, well,
It's still good.
it still fits you. It looks good. Yeah. I like
I
it.
know, but it's too soft.
Oh, it's soft. Oh, that's nice. Okay, then there's 2 more trucks on this page, guys. One is the dump truck. Dump truck. Which one would you think that would be? Would the dump truck be at the top or the bottom?
The top.
Very good, Aya. The top one in the middle. The top one in the middle is the dump truck. Oh, I just got marker on my finger. And then the one on the bottom, this one is the dump truck, the one in the middle.
Oops, I actually color it.
And the one at the bottom is called the what?
It's
A digger. A digger.
X.
Excavator. Say excavator. This one. Excavator. Now, yes, Aya, you have a question?
Why are these the helmet is to protect your head? These trucks are to help the things to get to work. These trucks are to get to work, and these are the signs so they ask them to not to school. It's them to fix it.
Great. Thank you so much. Good job. All right. So by my house, there's a lot of construction going on. So when you guys go out in your car, if you go to the store or if you go to the park or wherever you go, look out for construction. Look out for these pictures, different trucks, different pieces of equipment, cones, barricades, signs, because those will tell you that construction may be nearby. Construction may be nearby. All right. Now.
Oh, that's done. It's done on me. We need to do this.
Andrea? All right. Now, girls, what we're going to do is a little bit of math. So, do you have, oh, you can do it on the back of your paper you just had. So you can turn it on the back. Turn it on the back. I'm going to use my board here. All right. So I'm going to draw, we're going to do a little bit of math because you guys are super smart.
I know, because I'm smart.
Your kindergarten teacher will be happy you already know some math. All right, so I'm going to draw a few pictures here, and we'll do the problem together. So how many circles do I have here?
1, 2, 3. And then you add 3 more mix. 2 more mix. 2 more mix.
2 more.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3 plus 2?
Mm-hmm.
That's an easy one.
It is. Well, let me hear. So how many is it all together? How many circles are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good.
That's 5.
You both got it. So I would write 5. And this is the equal sign. This line's like this is equals 5.
I'm gonna make 3.
3 plus 2 more is 5. So if those were tires, 3 tires, and then we added 2 more, now we have 5 tires on the truck. Okay, let's do another one. How about
I did 5, but comes after 5.
hold on.
This is very easy. I know this.
Good, I'm glad you do. So now we have 4 donuts, right? And how many more?
2 more donuts.
Okay, so write 4 plus 2
I'm gonna count this time.
equals.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome! Andrea,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
yeah, you knew it. You know it. Okay.
I know it.
Uh,
It's so easy.
okay, how about
A tricky one.
a tricky one? Oh, okay.
So I can
I
say
can't color.
100 donuts.
No, I can't
No,
talk.
I do
No,
donuts.
I
No, I
can't
do
do
donuts.
100. No
No.
way. That would take
$1,000,000.
too long.
$1,000,000.
Listen, I'll send you guys some pages from my math book I'm working on, okay? And I'll put some big numbers in for you. All right, let's do this one.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
8.
Yes, you're both right. But we didn't even write the numbers out. Yes, this one had 5, and this one had 3, and it equals
Only there.
8. 8, you're right. You guys are super quick. All right. How about,
Whoa. This time you can give me a very, very tricky one.
very, very big one? Okay. 1 second. It might take a minute to stop.
Tricky one for
For you too, a tricky one? Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's very hard.
I'm getting ready to know this.
Yeah, you will. You'll know it. You're
Because
good.
I'm smart.
Ah, wow.
I think that's fun. I think I take a little.
I just don't know.
Are you
You
done?
put
No,
circles,
we're not
I
done
know.
yet. You're asking for a large number.
Oh, it's a number.
All right. Here's your number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, 9,
9
10.
plus 1 more is equals, what's 9 plus 1?
9 plus 1. Okay, I'll do 9 plus 1 though. I'm gonna do
10.
10.
If you have 9, full of 9 fingers,
Now,
all right, and you had 1 more left,
now
that
I
makes 10.
want to know.
Now you have all, yeah, you have
the largest number. The gigantic large number.
okay, now I'm gonna switch colors because we're gonna do taking away, subtraction.
Orange.
Orange, I don't have an orange marker today, I have blue. Orange is a good color, okay. All right, I'm gonna do,
Orange. Orange.
orange.
Hold
Hold on, guys.
Can we do this last one and then we can do our project and I can talk to my mom for a little minute.
Why do you need to talk to your mom?
I needed to talk to my mom, but I was wanted to drink some water. I was too thirsty.
I thought she gave you water. I saw your bowl cup. Okay, guys, we're taking away. We're not adding together. We're taking some away. Okay. Here's the first number.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Nope, that's just, nope. The first number is 10. Yes, you got that. And now
And
it's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
okay. You're right. All right, so 10.
Where did you take away 5?
Yeah,
Where
how
did you
many
take
would that be? If you had 10,
Do we have to follow it?
hold on. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, take away 5.
So hold up 10 fingers. You all have 10 fingers.
We have to take 5 away.
Take 5 of them away. How many do you have left?
1.
5.
5. That one's, so it gets a little trickier when you're taking away. But you guys are very smart.
Yes.
All right. How about 2 more? And then we'll move on to our craft, our coloring and cutting. Okay.
Okay, Ms.Julie.
Okay.
Freaking easy one.
An easy one.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
9.
No, we're not adding them. We're taking some away. So this line in the middle means take away.
3. That's 3.
This number is 3. So,
Yes.
so if you need to, hold 6 fingers up on your hand and take 3 of them away.
6,
So take
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3.
3. So, hold on. Let me show you on the board. So Andrea, look, we have 6. And I'm gonna take my eraser, my fuzzy eraser who needs to go away. And I'm gonna take 3 away. That means
cute.
I have 3 left. 3 left. 6 minus 3 is 3. What are you saying?
I want one.
Of these? It's a fuzzy pen.
No, I said that. I said I want one more number.
1 more. Good idea. All right.
I want the large, biggest,
Okay. Okay, I'll do a big one.
large number.
I'll
For
do a
me.
big one.
For
Okay.
me. It's gonna be so excited.
I'm a lot excited.
I'm a lot excited.
You're excited?
Excited?
A lot.
Okay.
What?
A lot.
A
Excited.
lot?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8. And we're gonna take away
8.
how many on this side?
4.
4.
1, 2, 4, divide 5.
5.
How many are left?
Okay. And one in the big one is like 4.
Yep, you both got it. Good job. So I would take 8 and I would take 1 away. 2, 3, 4, and that would be 4 left. So that would be your answer. 4.
So
Good
4
job.
plus 4 equals
Yes.
4.
Let's add that together. So if you have 4, I'm gonna do that on the bottom.
4 plus 4 equals 4.
No, 4 plus 4 equals 8. There are 4 dots plus 4 more.
More you're giving me.
Equals 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. You have 4 fingers and you have 4 more. All together is the same. Is the big number we already had. We had 8. How about that, guys? When you add and subtract, they go together. So we started with 8. We took 4 away, and we had 4 left. But if you add 4 plus 4 is 8. You guys are doing awesome. All right. We are going to go on to our coloring of our tools. My tools are, yeah, so if you want to use crayon marker, if you have paints, whatever you want. I'm going to color mine with my crayons, maybe my markers. Well, I'll do crayons today. I got orange, blue. What color should I make my tools?
It's tricky for me to
Pink. I make my tools pink?
My
Tools,
tools.
oh, purple. I have to use purple. You can do whatever color you want. I'm making my hammer purple. What tools are on your paper? What tools are on your paper, guys? Because mine is a little different than yours. Show me your paper. What tools are on there?
The screwdriver, hammer, wrench, and measuring tape.
I got my pink ready.
Oh, measuring tape. Oh, that's a good one. So how many tools are there?
Measuring tape.
Yours should have the same as Aunt. Yours should be. Oh, okay. That's good. And I'm gonna use
No,
gray.
we don't have measuring tape.
Not on your paper. Hold up your paper with your tools on it, Andrea. I want to see.
But we don't have. But we do. I
You have
know
the same.
we do have it in the paper, but we don't have it.
Oh, in person. That's okay. That's all right.
Whole coloring.
What?
I don't like coloring.
I got pink.
Oh, I just did.
Favorite color.
I'm gonna use red. I'm making my saw red.
Red. I use pink.
Pink, awesome.
Like in the, but in the camera looks like purple.
Oh, it does. You're right. What color is my shirt I'm wearing today? Does my shirt look pink to you?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a little bit.
Yeah, it's not like bright pink. It's just called a dusty pink.
I got blue.
You have a lot
I
of
got blue
things.
that shirt.
It's very
I got blue.
Yeah, it's very sunny by you today, Andrea. That's why the light looks a little different.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a hot day by me today.
Me too.
Yeah, we're gonna go to
Me
the pool.
too.
We're gonna go to the pool later.
Not me.
No, you don't have a pool near you.
I don't have pool. I will have anything. Pool.
What are you?
But it's
I
so far.
have a rainy day today.
You have what today?
A rainy day.
Oh, okay. Well, that has to happen. You need rain for the plants. I
Not
need
going to
my
ship.
vegetables in my garden to grow. I need some rain for my vegetables in my garden to grow. So I have my cucumbers, my tomatoes growing, and my carrots growing. Hey, would I need any tools for my garden, girls?
Yes.
Yeah, what kind of tools do you think I would need to use in my garden?
I don't know.
How about a watering can to water?
So
Okay.
okay, purple flowers, and pink flowers, and blue,
Oh,
and
beautiful.
red, and teal.
What about a shovel? Dig the dirt.
Yeah.
You think I would need a shovel? Yeah, I used a
Yeah.
I used a little blue shovel to plant the seeds in my garden.
Sometimes we rip roses. Sometimes we rip all roses, all of it.
Oh, the roses. Yeah. They're gone? The roses went away? Or you still have No.
I still have roses. I don't have roses, but I still have yellow flowers.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I have
What's
some
that yellow flower again? Is it a zinnia or something?
Zinnia, very good. Good job remembering. I have some pink ones, and they're really puffy. And they're
Zinnias.
big, fluffy ones. They're like this big. They're really big.
They're like this big.
Yeah, and they're like in the corner of my yard, and they are really fun. They are really puffy. They look like
They're so fun to play with.
they look like pom-poms. They're really fun flowers.
But
All right. How many tools do you
are
guys have?
glittery.
I'm gonna cut mine out now.
the pom-poms are glittery.
Oh. Who's gonna cut on their dotted lines, their tools out?
My name.
Yeah, you can put your name on your tool belt if you want. Let's cut tools out.
Hello, me. And I'm gonna into all this thing. I just gonna wrap it up.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like a little pouch for your tools. And you, yeah, you can put your tools in your pouch or tool bag. Are you coloring, Andrea? I'm cutting mine out now. I'm gonna show you. You had a hammer, saw, what else? Tape measure, and a, what? What am I forgetting? No? Nobody's gonna tell me? What am I forgetting? What tool did I?
Flexing
What happened?
the noise.
What about the,
noise?
what?
And
What are you talking about?
string. Hammer today. String.
Oh, string. Be careful with that. We're not making a necklace today.
Why?
Yeah, because I didn't send you a necklace craft.
Because it's too long.
Well, you have nothing to put on the necklace. You would need beads or something.
I do have beads.
Maybe I'll send you guys a 4th of July craft.
I do have beads. I do have beads.
Oh, you're lucky. You can make something maybe.
I wanted beads.
Yeah, so are you guys cutting or coloring your tools? No, you're not doing it?
My mom is doing it.
Oh, what? You putting your mom to work?
Yeah.
What?
Sometimes I do it. Sometimes my mom.
Oh, Andrea. How many more days of school does your brother have? A couple?
100.
100? No. What?
June 25th.
Whoa. Oh, wow. You guys go a lot longer over there. My kids have been out for a week now. Wow. Maybe you guys
I'm in the day.
Yeah. Okay, good string. All right, so what it's supposed to, let me hold the picture up again, girls. So like this is what it's supposed to look like. You stick the tools in the pouch and then you put the string through. Where's my tape? I'll show you with my tape. Let me show you with my clear tape. Uh-oh. Oh, here's my tape. So I'm gonna take my string. Now my string is yellow. Sorry about that, because my string's yellow, but your guys' string is orange. And I am going to
Hey, show me your string.
my string is yellow, light yellow, white almost. Your string is orange. So I'm gonna tape the sides of my neck. I'm gonna use my tape and I'm gonna tape the sides of my napkin so that I have a pouch. Okay, glue will work. Glue will work.
Ultra pink hammer. Ultra pink hammer.
Ultra pink. Who's gonna have pink?
Me.
Oh wow.
Have it.
Oh,
What you can see.
looks nice. Good job.
What color you can see in mine?
I see black on there. What other colors should I see? Silver? I did gray. You guys, I did gray on my tools so that because the tools are made of metal and the gray metal. So I colored mine gray and I did colors. All right, I'm gonna tape my string on. I'm gonna tape my string on here. I tape my string on.
Hammer.
Hammer. I have my hammer. Purple hammer.
Hammer.
Okay, so I'm gonna put mine in my pouch here, my tool pouch.
Again?
What happened?
We need to cut it again.
Cut what? What do you need to cut again?
The line. Black one.
Did you cut on the dotted line?
Oh,
What happened?
we forgot to cut these lines.
Oh, go ahead. Cut on that line. So here's how mine is. Uh-oh. My tools are falling down. You won't be able to see them. Hold on. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hold on.
Why is gonna come today?
Who? Who are you looking for?
And why is
You're looking for?
what day is tomorrow?
Oh, Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah, no school on Saturday. Yep, Saturday.
Can you call me back on Saturday in one day, and so I can talk to you some days?
Oh, you're so nice. Aw. Oh.
I'm cutting downstairs. I'm cutting.
Okay, you keep cutting. I'm putting my tools in my pouch here, girls.
You have a knife?
What?
Yeah. Well, can you show me what tool you have?
Right here, look. Look, I have a saw, a wrench, and a hammer.
What was it?
Saw, a wrench, and a hammer. And I put my string on, and I taped it on the side. Oh, this side doesn't have tape. I forgot. And I'm gonna put it around my belly. It goes on your tool, it goes right here on your belly like this. See? Tool belt.
Tool belt?
Tool belt. And you can pull your hammer out and your saw out.
I need that thing.
And it's just pretend. But this is kind of what construction workers do. They wear their tool belt on them, especially if they're climbing.
Paper with it. There's paper with it.
No, you had the napkin, the folded napkin. It's white.
And then they can put it with the.
I just used my napkin, my paper towel from the kitchen. So, all right, so this is how the workers climb up their ladder and they work and they have their tools on them. That way they can reach them. Or some people have a tool box, like a plastic box. It would have a lid on it with a handle, and you could carry your tools on the construction site with you. Some people have toolboxes at their homes to keep all their tools in. Does anyone's fathers have any tools? A hammer, screwdriver, wrench. So some people have a box to hold their tools, toolbox. Some people have a tool belt, and it straps onto you. That way when you climb up the ladder or go walking around your yard, you have your tools nearby you. What do you think about that? What are you saying, Ayat? I don't think you need to, Ayat, I don't think you need to cut the string. I think you just need to glue or tape the string to the pouch and then tie it around your body. You don't need to cut the string.
Oh, tissue. Oh my God, tissue.
Oh.
Tissue, please don't stop. You don't want to come with me.
Oh no. All right. Does anybody have any plans for the weekend? Anyone doing anything this weekend? No, no plans that you know of? Cleaning house,
No.
staying home. Nobody's going to any parties. No parties. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay home and go to the pool because it's gonna be hot by my house. So I'm gonna go to the pool and eat some popsicles and what? What are you, Andrea?
It's not even like. It's not even like sunny.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's sunny by my house today. Maybe the sun will come out. Maybe you'll have good weather tomorrow or Sunday. I hope you do. And I hope you can get outside and play or do whatever you want to, go for a bike ride or scooter. Who has a scooter?
I don't have it.
No. Do you have a bicycle?
I do have a scooter, it's red, but it broke.
Oh, do you have a bicycle?
Yep.
With training
How
wheels
do
on
you know?
it? With training wheels on it?
Yes. And, but if I turn 5, I have 5 right now, but I want to take up my training wheel.